여보세요?
저기 아줌마, 짜파구리 할 줄 아시죠?
짜파구리?
짜파구리라고 다송이가 제일 좋아하는 건데 냉장고에 한우 체크살도 있으니까 그것도 좀 넣으시고.
Hi guys! Welcome back to Puzonvlogs and welcome to another day of cooking with Mayora. Yay! And welcome to our family. So for today, we're gonna be doing this famous Korean dish made popularized by this Korean movie, Parasite.
Wow, yeah.
So if you haven't watched this movie, it's a must-watch. It's a good movie. So in the movie, they showed this dish called RAMDON.
Yes, or Chapaguri.
Chapagguri. So they use 2 ramen noodles. This one is the Chapaggeti, which is a Korean black spaghetti.
And basically, this one is the Korean spicy seafood noodle.
Yun. And then in the movie, they place a steak. So later on, we'll be putting steak as well. Again, we'll be showing this to you step by step. And then our favorite, the taste test later
Excited
on.
na.
Yeah, we're really hungry. So we're very excited sa taste test namin.
Yes.
So before we start, of course, please don't forget to subscribe to us.
Yes,
Subscribe. And then like and comment down below. So, okay, let's do this.
So what we need is the Chapaggeti, the Neoguri, and the pork steak. So for more info where we got this, please check the description box below. As we open the Chapaggeti, we see 3 packets inside. We set this aside and cook the noodles first. So now let's put our noodles in the boiling water and then open the Neoguri and set aside again the packets inside. And then let's put the noodles together with the Chapaggeti. So this is the time when we put the packets of veggies, pour them together, and mix it with the noodles. Now it's time for our steak. Let's put in the butter first, then our pork steak, and another one. As you can see, you can cook it at the same time. Now back to our steak. Cook it on one side, and then after a few minutes, flip it to cook the other side. Using your scissors, cut it into small pieces to cook faster. Cut it into small cubes. And we're gonna season it with salt and pepper, and make sure you do not add so much salt since our noodles is already salty. And wait for it to cook. Now it's time to check on our noodles. As you can see, our noodles is almost cooked. Now transfer the noodles to the pan with our steak. And at this point, we lower the heat of our pan already since we don't want to overcook our noodles. Now get the Chapaggeti powder and pour it in, followed by the Neoguri spicy powder and the oil. Mix it all together and make sure you mix it well. Pour in half a cup of broth from the noodles so it won't be too dry. Make sure to mix it with the oil of the pork steak. So here's our finished product. Now it's time for us to transfer, and let's get ready to serve. It's time to taste test. Let's call Dada and Leighton.
Hi guys! So we're done with the RAMDON and it's time to taste them.
Yay! So
Okay,
excited!
so hungry. Daddy will taste muna, hi mommy, okay?
It's like a
Oh, let me describe it.
It's
Ooh,
like
it's hot.
a snake.
Oh, it's like a snake, yes. What's
It's
it,
a
mommy?
little snake.
Mm.
That's a little snake.
Malasa. Masarap.
Oh, it's really good.
So tasty. And let's try it. Mmm! Nag-compliment yung meat sa ating sa noodle.
Mommy,
First time ko try ito.
Really good.
Mommy, nasan dahil yung
It's really good. Promise, it's not that spicy. It's flavorful.
Yeah.
And then compared to other pancit canton, this one is
get the one.
on top of all the pancit canton na nakain ko
Yeah.
talaga. And then, with the pork and the steak, nag-add pa siya ng flavor. So again,
nag-complement siya.
you can put any steak that you want,
Yeah.
expensive steak, but
Yeah.
this one is enough talaga already. So, oh,
Try
look at
it
that. Look.
Grabe, no? Ang tasty. Excuse me.
And then, if you're gonna be doing this, make sure na may kasama kayo kasi marami talaga siya. You cannot finish this on your own, I think. Woohoo!
Crunchy na. Crunchy.
So since hindi pa kumakain si Al ng instant noodles, binili muna namin siya ng Jollibee chicken spaghetti.
Mm-hmm.
Yung favorite niya.
Spaghetti. Mga tasty. Ah, ganyan lahat to, di ba?
Okay. So let's eat.
Sarap!
Let's eat.
Yummy.
I can stop eating.
Sarap siya, guys. Must try, grabe.
So it's easy to make. Actually, fun
Fast
fact.
lang,
Fast to make. So fun fact dito, itong dish na to, ang significance ito is both the noodles, the cheap noodles, kino-compare siya dun sa two poor families dun sa household. And then the expensive beef, yun yung rich family. So, fun fact. Yummy! Oh, time to rate. For a rating, my rating would be 5 out of 5. A must try. How about you?
One.
5!
din,
For
Mama.
the chicken?
For the chicken.
Spaghetti.
I need 5 also because I love spicy.
Yes, it's perfect. Yay!
And nag-complement talaga, lagi kong inulit, nag-complement yung meat natin with this.
Yes.
Noodles.
So, that ends our vlog for today.
Yes!
Don't forget to subscribe. So please say please subscribe.
Subscribe.
And then don't forget to like and comment down below.
Down below. Yes,
So,
stay tuned.
see you on our next vlog. Say bye. Bye.